Kurumjari. SKTV Manipur Pau Yang Biri Pum Namakpo, Kundrakpam Sanatombi Taram Nokjari, Ahanbada, Maruiba Pau. Ngamkai Sambal Kaba Amadi FMR Loktoki Mayokta February Tarani Toy, the Chandel Amadi Technopol District total shut down on a mass Miamge mass rally Chatkani Heidi. Hojik Pau Sandok na Pijari. India Lengak na Indo Myanmar Ngamkai Paring Degi Free Movement Regime FMR Loktokiba Amadi Maram Chadana Sambal Kaba Kitabak Changsil Lakliba Asida Yaning Daba Fong Doktuna Lakliba February Taragani Toida Chandel Amadi Technopol District total shutdown Kobogalunina Miamge mass rally Chatkani Haina Chandel Naga People Organization Gi Maike Degi Kangalakli CNPO na ngarang thorakpa cherola magi matung inna February taragani thoigi ayuk pung taruk tagi nungchil pung taruk fawba total shutdown asi Technopol amadi Chandel district ki naga kun taba mafam singda chathagani miyamgi rally na Chandel district headquarter da chatkani haidi haukiba February ohum da fam kiba CNPO tribe ho NSUC amadi NCAC ki emergency general body mifam na rally amadi total shutdown tobugi warip asi lokibani haidi Lunena Lokiba, Ahan Bawaripta, Chandel Ginaga Tribe, Taraga Mathoina Punsilaga Semba, CNPO na, Laurukli Bawarip Asida, Miamna Yokshin Duna Mapungfaba, Democratic Protest Oinanaba, Miamna Wafum Kaya Tamlakli. Ngarang Manipur Police na Imphal West District ki Lamphel Police na Konba Takel Kolom Laikai degi Laurembam Mani Allies Luren Ngamba Allies Mani Mukta Chahi Nifugataruk Aina Ting Krabala Lolup UNLF ki Keder ni Haiba Ama Fagat Pangam Kri Haidi Police tagi Fangba Pao Magi Matung Inna Faraba Mioy Asi Manipur ki Tongan Baloisang Singdegi Senkai Tungkai Taubada Hakteng Nana Chenaba Mioy ni Haidi Police na faraba matung masada check taubada mobile handset ama makong anipan ba gari ama amadi Aadhaar card ka konana lupa lising mari hena yauba amuba machugi wallet ama funky haina police ki pau na haidi nakalamaromda Manipur Police na lona tingkrabala lolup KCP PWG group ki miyoy ani amasu ngarang tongan ba mafamdagi fagat pangam kre haidi Imphal East District Parampat Police Station ki manung dalaiba Mahabli degi fagat pangam kre haidi faraba miyoy ani adu Ningthaujam Jupiter Allies Bungcha Chahi Kungetaret Amadi Sorokaibam Amarjit Allies Halakpa Chahi Kunganipani Haidi Police na faraba miyoy ani asi Gajar Imphal gi mafam singda leiba miyamdagi lenga ki loisang singdagi dukan famba singdagi sankai tungkai taubada chenabani haidi makoi ani dagi police na maru manga yauba magazine ga konana M20 gi pistol ama makong ani panba gari macha ama sling bag ama amadi mobile phone ani fagat pangam ki haidi Female Health Worker Training School Lamphel RD Wing Complex Directorate of Family Welfare Service Manipur na senduna ANMFHW gi kulhumdoi suba batch ki camping lamp lighting amasung or taking ki thoram Imphal gi Gandhi Memorial Hall da ngasi pangthokre thoram aduda Health Service Manipur gi Director Dr. Jambo Gonmai Family Welfare Service Manipur gi Director Dr. N Hemanta Kumar Singh, Manipur Nursing Council ki Register Dr. A. Jamuna Devi Su Sarugyaki, Thoromadu ki Atoiba Mitunglen ki Warolda Health Service Manipur ki Director Dr. Jambo Gonmai na Fongdorakpada, Analayeng da nurse na lauriba thaudang asi yamna chawi, Analayeng bada doctor paramedic kaknatana nurse asisu backbone ni, nurse na anaba singi report lauraga yeng silaba matungda doctor na aroiba report yeng sinduna laina adugi layong Khangdoktuna hidak charaga fagani hairibani Dr. Singi Thaudangsu yamna chawi adubu nurse laitragadi hidak kanana kapkadauribano anaba singbu pukchel sengna kathokpa amagaloinana kupna yengsinbiduna lakli haikibagaloinana punsi lambida tingkang kaya leramgani madubu na thairaga chatpangamlaba matamda maipakpa ngamgani haiki
It is not only the doctors, not only the paramedics and all, but the backbone of the healthcare systems it is the nurse. They are very important people. Yes, they are nurses, but they are also the light of the world. Sunmaina, tabak sikanna tawaga patient singse fazan yengsilaga tawbudigi Although we really appreciate them and I really congratulate them again. Because A&M female health worker your role is very important now. The rural health care system nurse role is important and particularly the GNM A&M they need to go to the interiors.
Paugi marak thatna atenba break ama. Break matungda miyambo mukana taram nokchari makataba pau. Manipur University ke examination session amadi UGC Malawiam Mission Teacher Training Center ga kutsam naduna ngasidagi hauraga numit humni chupna chathagadaba Manipur Institute of Management Studies da workshop on assessment evaluation amadi question setting gi hogdukpagi thoram Manipur University ki court hall da pangtokre thoram aduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra Undergraduate Examination Standing Committee ki Chairman Professor S Jibon Kumar Postgraduate Examination Standing Committee ki Chairman Professor Sumitra Fanjobam Manipur University ki Controller of Examination Tokpam Santi Kumar amadi UGC Malavia Mission Teacher Training Center Manipur University ki Director Professor R.K. Vuwana Sarukyaki Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra na Fongdokibada NEP 2020 asi English ngani kunganithoi kunhumdoi gi session asidagi tamba haukraba mahiroi sing hauji 6th semester tamliba mahiroi sing soidana mahi tamba loishinba ngamgani adubu media reporter Fongnarakpada 6th semester loiraga makoigi tungi prospect kari oigani haina pakhatnari haribasi thajabiganu NEP 2020 gi makhada Manipur University na hanadagi hauna chahi mari gi syllabus amadi curriculum sing yathoktuna thamkre haiki hanagi undergraduate amadi postgraduate lairamba educational system asidagi NEP 2020 asi pungnong noba makhal amani haina fongdoki
Under NEP 2020, Manipur University had already framed syllabus and a curriculum for 4 years. And it's a completely new departure from the earlier undergraduate and the postgraduate educational system. It's a very good system and the number of pages are very few, but the content included in this NEP 2020, it's very vast. It will take some time to really understand the context and the content of this NEP 2020. We have included papers which will give opportunity to the students to go to the field because we need a lot of field work. Policy planners in the country, they realize that earlier in Indian education system is very theoretical and it's not really directly related with getting our students properly skilled and job ready, employment ready. So we have included papers on that.
Ngasi ki marks ki mityang makhada thangta gi subject asibu regular English high school kwakaitel hino khongnembi da chatnabigi matung inna laigi thoram amaga loinana hogdokre hairiba thoram asida ke marks ki advisor oibiriba laitang them damendro school asigi head tingtham aruna Secretary Chungkham Nabakumar Singh regular English high school asida sentakpa oina leibigadoriba ahaibam albon mangangsu sarukyaki Kanagumba high school amadi higher secondary school singda thangta amadi Manipur jagoi na chingba subject asibu happening ba leibiragasu ke marks da pau phaupirakpa yagani hairi Bisnupur District ki Deputy Commissioner su oiriba Indian Red Cross Society IRCS Bisnupur District Branch ki President Laurembam Bikram gi mityang makhada Bisnupur District ki manung chanba Moirang AC da leiba senthok watlaba hakchang gi fibam mimanadraba miyoising amadi yingsinbinaba leitraba khangatlaba miyoising gi imungda Indian Red Cross Society Bisnupur District Branch na tengbang potlam oina ngasi blanket amadi hygienic kit sing yanthokre. Aroibada maroiba pausing amukka na pijari. Ngamkai sambal khaba amadi FMR logthokibagi mayokta February 12 da Chandel amadi Technopol district ta total shutdown galoinana Mayam mass rally chatkani hairi. Matang asida bulletin asilo chinjari Manipur miyam gi punsida khwaidigi hena maru oiba state asigi lepak asigi amadi malem gi e pau singi damak SKTV news po miyeng tadra laibiu khurumjari.